Hey everyone, welcome to week 6. You made it, last week of the course. So for this last week, we're going to talk about some different stages of the life cycle and how nutrition relates to those. So starting with pregnancy and infancy, all the way up through older adulthood. So you have your last remaining assignments this week. You've got one more nutrient tracker assignment on nutrition and pregnancy. Then your final project is a project on older adults with nutrition. So make sure you read all the guidelines. The rubric tells you exactly what you need to do to earn full credit. I'm happy to answer any questions you have about this. And this is it's not a report like your previous projects have been. This is supposed to be more like a functional tip sheet. So it's not supposed to be just solid text. There should be some design elements in there. Doesn't need to be quite as thorough or in depth in terms of the volume of information on each topic, but make sure that you've got some specific points for each part of the assignment and then some decorative elements, either some images or some different design. You can use templates that you can find online for things like a worksheet or a handout or a brochure. It can be anything like that you like. So let me know if I can help with any of that. And then you've got 2 more discussions to do in your last module quiz. So for the discussions, one of them is on infant feeding. We're going to look at both breastfeeding and formula feeding, talk about the different pros and cons and considerations for each one. I did send you the email with your sides. I meant to send it earlier. My apologies for just getting that out today. Because I sent that out later than I intended, I am going to also allow for a few extra days for getting that first post in. I've got the details in your email, so make sure you check for that. And then you've got your other discussion going on this week also, talking about childhood food intake influences, things like school lunches and restaurants and TV, things like that. If you have any questions at all about this remaining work, please let me know. The deadline for everything is Saturday night. That is when the course ends, so make sure that you've got everything in by then. If there's anything I can do to support you during this last week, please let me know. Otherwise, I will see you in discussion.